We have a huge plastic pollution problem in our oceans. Exactly 9 million tons, or now we estimate 12 million tons of plastic are flown into our oceans every year. And this is a huge problem for our marine life as well as for us humans, because we all depend on our ocean. We need to do something about it. We need to stop plastic flowing into the ocean, and we need to bring plastic out of the ocean and recycle it ashore. And our response was to set up Gutback, to create a structure and to create a company where people can come together in a greater movement. And we have established a network of fishermen, 1,500 to be exact, in Java, in the Demak region, that's Indonesia. And these fishermen go out fishing and bring plastic in their nets and bring it ashore where we can use it for the production of our backpacks. If you want to contribute to saving our oceans, check our website, gut-bad.com. Let's create an impact.